Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is sour soup wonton, which is a famous snack in Sichuan. The wontons with spicy and sour taste are appetizing. Let's get started. Make some wontons first. Of course, you can buy frozen ready-made ones online. I need 12 wontons. Look at the seasonings for the soup. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of chili oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. It would be better if you have chicken broth instead of chicken powder. Add all the seasonings to a bowl. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water. Mix well. Heat a pot of water. Bring to a boil. Add wontons. Boiling until cooked through, about 5 minutes. Transfer to the bowl with soup. Spicy and sour wonton soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.